Okay, equal to left of returns the specified number of characters from the start of text string. Okay, so starting is always taken by default. Okay, let's see the syntax. Just press tab. Text is whatever text we want to check. Here in this case, if I give A2, it will check A2 character and comma. So in the syntax, wherever you see the square brackets, that means it is optional. Even if you don't give this, I mean, syntax, just close the bracket, it will give by default the single value. I mean, the formula will work, but without this, there is no square brackets in the first syntax, right? So if you don't give this syntax also, it will throw error. We cannot give this. So we can ignore square brackets. Okay. So in this case, to have this function working, we need to give some number. So if we can, if we want only first 5 characters, just give 5. Okay. So first one is taken as 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Yep.
Same way with the right function. Right of just the text, comma 5. So it checks from the right. Okay. Even blank it considers as a one text. So it will give 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till this bank on in the same order, not in the reverse order, in the same order. Just it counts from the right side. That's it. So it will give a space and bank. Okay. So there's a space and bank. Okay.
Yep.
We can give this for either string, even also for this numbers as well. Any value. So left for numbers. So if you want only starting number, just give left off. Will calculate this one from first number. So or first two numbers, first two digits. Okay.
Yep.
So here we need to make sure the formatting. So for example, the formatting is for 0 decimals. Okay. Here if I give right of numbers equal to right of same I mean we'll consider average now, comma two values. If you see here, it is displaying as 122, but here it is coming as 0.5 because the actual value is 121.5. So formatting is just, it will apply on top just for display purpose. So whatever formula you are applying, in whatever formula, if you refer the cell, it will refer to the actual value only. So here you see you have 0.5 here. Here also you have 0.5. Got it right? Formula is
Yep.
only for display purpose. All the calculations will be made on the actual value.
Mhm.
So if you sum this, you will get sum of these two will return 251. Okay, even still the formatting is applied here. You need to just increase the size. Okay.
Yep.
So next is the middle function. Middle function is the the function is mid. So returns the character from middle of the text string, gives starting and ending and the length. Okay, the same text here. So starting number, if I want from first number, I can give 1. 1 comma 5 is nothing but left off. If I want to give 1 comma 5, I can use left instead of middle. So instead I will do
Mm-hmm.
some, yeah, so I can give some middle numbers like 3 comma 6. Okay, so what it does is it starts from 3 and this is length. 6 is length. So it has started from 3. From there it takes 6 characters.
Okay.
Okay.